the Sober in Your Sleep series. So tuck yourself into bed with all the lights out and ready to sleep. Lie in the bed on your back, a cool room, nice and comfortable, and settle in. Feel firstly the cool sheets or the warm sheets. Just feel the temperature on your skin. Feel gravity pinning you down to the bed and the earth holding you up and supporting you. The bed is cradling you. The universe is cradling you. And really just come to a place of calm by focusing on just that sensation of being held in the bed and feeling so safe. And we're going to do a light body scan to relax yourself so that we come into this state where we can imprint in our mind who we want to be and how we want to live. So what we're doing is a little yoga nidra around the body, just relaxing every body part. As I mention, each part brings sensation to that part and let it soften and melt into the bed. So the toes, the feet, the lower legs, the upper legs, just feeling it melt, feeling it soften. The hip area, the lower back, the upper back, feeling the upper back really melt. We can hold tension there. So feel it melt and just get a bit heavy, loose and heavy. Feel your arms and their weight, upper arms, the lower arms, the hands, the fingers. And really just feel your whole body relaxed. Feeling your face, unfurrowing your brow, wiggling your jaw so it's nice and loose. Feeling your scalp, feeling really relaxed. Now going inside to imagine the state of our mind. And here we are the observer, watching the mind. So it doesn't have to be calm. It can be crazy busy. We just have to be okay with it as it is. So just absorb the mind, observe the mind from a place of non-judgment, from a place of true compassion. Just watch the mind. Smile to yourself if you like, if it's a little bit crazy, or if it happens to be nice and quiet. Just watch that. Now move down into the body and feel what emotions are alive in the body today. What do you feel? What are the top 3 emotions? Where are they? Do they have a size, a texture, a weight? And just be conscious that they're just a cluster of sensations alive in your system right now. So feel those. Just watch them. If love's not there, we're going to add to it. If it's there, we're already just going to put more love into that love. So feel your heart. Imagine an image of something that really makes you smile, like a young child or someone that you love dearly. Imagine that image. Hold that image and put it into your heart. Feel the heat, feel the energy of that. Feel it ripple out into your body. Feeling love ripple into you from your body out and beyond. And next onto the breath. Just breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Just observing. Don't need to take any control, just in through the nose, out through the mouth. But gradually you can take a little bit more control. In through the nose and long exhales through the out breath. And as we're calm now in this beautiful, calm, relaxed state, our subtle mind can observe the truth of who we are and how we're going to live our life. Imagine in your mind the day tomorrow, and imagine the end of the day. Imagine going to sleep like you are now and feeling amazing because you're sober. Feel your heart swell with pride because you're putting your head on the pillow another day sober. and just feeling so good, because that's who you are, as someone who nourishes mind, body and spirit, who treats your body with love and respect and honor. And that act of self-love means that you really focus on being sober. Imagine flicking through the day some of the events that might occur when you have the opportunity to absorb alcohol. Walking past the bottle shop, at lunch being offered the normal wine o'clock or beer o'clock in your house. Imagine those moments and imagine yourself saying, no thanks, no thanks, I'm good. And choosing something that's refreshing and replenishing, whether it's water or tea or juice, but just no thanks to the drink. Then fast forward to the end of the night and feeling so happy with yourself, because this is who you are, a person who stays sober, who makes the right choices every day, who lives in integrity to their decision. And that's who you are. Now come back to your breath, focusing on the breath, the in-breath and the out-breath. We'll take one big final breath together, breathing in through the nose, holding at the top, hold, and breathe out through the mouth, letting go of anything that's old and toxic and no longer needs to be there. That big out breath. Now just returning to the natural breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Be conscious of your body. Come back into the now. And congratulations on doing a beautiful, calming meditation that's been working on your subconscious. Have a gorgeous night's sleep, and I'll see you tomorrow.